it can get very noisy in some of these fast food restaurants out there. So I say, yeah, but I want to say to each and everyone, please learn to talk about your differences. This video shows some things that happened during a confrontation that somehow started between at least two persons. And in the video, you can hear some harsh words. The people who might be at fault, I don't know. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Push up, push me out, push me out, push me out. What are you doing? Go girl like your mother. Girl like your mother.
Excuse me,
No, move me. Me now move. Me there a long blood clot time from 6:30 degree that girl. 6:30 me there from.
Miss,
Another. You remember your behavior. We turn our face in a man. We turn our face in a. Another. Who's our face in a man?
that bitch is a problem over here.
You don't know me, you don't eat that girl.